Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. I am working on a pre-Easter dinner for our family. We always go travel for a family Easter dinner, and then there's never any leftovers. So every year we do our own Easter dinner ahead of time. That way we can enjoy our own Easter meal and have those yummy ham and cheesy potato leftovers. So I am going to do glazed ham steaks today, and we're going to do cheesy potatoes. Sometimes people call them funeral potatoes, but I'm doing a smaller batch version. And then we are going to do some seasoned roasted asparagus to go with it. I'm going to start with the cheesy potatoes. You can use cubed style or regular hash brown style. And because I am just making this for our family only, I'm only going to do about 3 to 4 cups of the potatoes. I'm going to put all of the ingredients and the directions in the description below, along with a link for you to pin and save these recipes. We are going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to share with you a little secret to extra cheesiness in your potatoes. We like to use a little bit of canned nacho cheese sauce. You could use the plain cheese sauce as well. And I'm going to put in about a half a cup or so. And then we are going to add in about a cup of sour cream. We're going to add in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and honestly, I'm just going to kind of sprinkle a little bit in. If you want to measure it out, that's totally fine. I'm going to also add in some salt, some black pepper, probably about half a teaspoon or so of each. And then I have 3/4 of 1 stick of butter, and I have kind of sliced it and diced it up into smaller pieces. You want your butter to be melting evenly throughout your cheesy potatoes as they bake. We are going to bake our cheesy potatoes at 350 degrees for about a half hour. You want the cheese on the top to be nice and bubbly and melted, and you want to make sure that it's all the way cooked through on the inside of your cheesy potato casserole. We're going to give this a nice mix. All right, and I'm going to put a cup of shredded cheddar cheese into the cheesy potatoes. Mix that in quick. We're going to grab our baking dish, which I've already pre-sprayed with cooking spray. We are going to put these right in, and then we're going to cover the top with more shredded cheese, about a half a cup or so. Perfect. If you want to, you could add some crunched up cornflakes to the top of your cheesy potatoes. I have some picky eaters and they're not fans of it on top, even though I like it, so I'm going to leave it off today. We're going to put this into the oven. We're going to get started on the... Here are the cheesy potatoes. We have the Parmesan lemon asparagus and our cherry glazed ham steak. Thank you all so much. Thank you for sharing this recipe with your family and friends. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.